Let's do an easy version of Paisley. And by that I mean there's not going to be as much kind of bending the design around. It's going to be more like an echoing teardrop shape. So to start, you want to stitch a single teardrop, and the scale of this teardrop should be about how big you want your quilting to be. So if you like your quilting about an inch apart, then the width of your teardrop should be about an inch. I'm going to keep it about a half an inch. So there's our first teardrop, and now we are going to echo around it about your quilting distance apart. Now I don't sew all the way back down to the beginning. I want this to feel a little looser, and so these echoes are going to just kind of bounce around the shape rather than all meeting back and having that really dense quilting at the point of a paisley. So I'm going to echo around this maybe one more time and then make another teardrop shape. Okay, I am ready for another teardrop shape, and I am going to kind of begin another echo to this teardrop just to move out of the edge. So I'm going to come out to about here and then make another teardrop. Now I am going to use this previously echoed teardrop to kind of move around to start doing this area kind of down here. I don't want to keep kind of stair-stepping these petals, paisleys, teardrops, whatever you want to call them. I don't want to keep kind of alternating directions. I want to mix it up so that this design is a little more of a non-directional print. All right, there's our little easy paisley teardrop echo design. And you can see down here, I kind of came around and made this kind of long teardrop. And in parts, I was only able to echo around part of my teardrop. I wasn't able to kind of get a little bit closer to the point of this like I was over here. Like these echoes are almost complete, but just echo to fill the space. The places that are going to really stand out in your quilting aren't the errors. Like these lines are a little too close together, but standing back, if I had an unquilted area in here, it would be more noticeable than simply filling it in and moving on. So you can see I came around, I kind of cheated all the way up, and then kind of filled this area up here with some extra echoes. Just fill the area with similar type shapes, either echoes or additional teardrops. And when you stand back, it'll all look great.